What's up, Rockstar? It's Andrew with McCormick Music, and I am super excited to announce a new workshop happening every single week starting June 4th. We're going to have Songwriting Workshop Wednesdays. So, all I want to say is that you are about to have your whole head opened and exposed to the simplicity, magic, and genius of some of the best songs in the world. Every week we're going to take some parts of songs that you know and love, show you how they did it, and give those tools to you and those techniques so you can make your own masterpieces. How awesome is that? This is something I've been doing for many years, and I personally have used to my advantage to write songs that get people singing along as I play this stage, which is just like the craziest and, if I'm being honest, the best feeling in the world. And I want you to experience the same thing. Here's just a quick bullet point list of some of the benefits you're going to experience each week. You're going to have weekly hands-on group instruction, personalized songwriting feedback, collaborative co-writing opportunities, tips on lyrics, melody creation, clever chord progressions, modulation, a little theory stuff in there, from plagal cadences to how to transpose and come back and all these things. It's going to be wrapped in this fun bow of a package for you every single week. And I'm going to be teaching a lot of those classes because I freaking love this stuff, as well as many of the other instructors here who, you might not know it, are also, many of them, recording and writing their own amazing songs and releasing them. So we're going to show you what we do, how you can do it. Every single week we're going to have a new song, new material, and it's going to keep you on your toes, keep you improving. I hope to see you there. Please sign up by filling out that form below, and I'll see you in class.